How to fix delayed Snapchat notifications on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get your Snapchat notifications coming through on time. First, open your Android settings. Tap on Apps and search for Snapchat. Tap on it to open the app info page. From there, tap on Notifications and make sure all notification types are enabled for Snapchat. At this point, check that notifications are not set to silent or restricted in any way. After that, go back to the app info page and tap on Battery. In the next step, make sure battery usage is set to unrestricted, so Android is not limiting Snapchat's background activity, which can delay notifications. From there, go back to Android settings and tap on Battery. Once done, tap on Background Usage Limits or Battery Optimization and search for Snapchat. Following this, make sure Snapchat is set to Not Optimized, so the system is not putting it to sleep in the background. From here, go back to Android settings and tap on Connections. At this stage, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is active and stable, as a weak connection can cause notification delays. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Once your device is back on, send a test snap and check if the notification arrives promptly. And that's it! If this guide helped you fix delayed Snapchat notifications, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.